How do internal and external urethral sphincters differ? Imagine a busy city with two gates controlling traffic flow. These gates are like the internal and external urethral sphincters in your body, working together to manage when and how urine leaves the bladder. The internal urethral sphincter is made of smooth muscle, which means it works automatically without you thinking about it. It stays closed most of the time to keep urine from leaking out. This muscle is located right where the bladder narrows into the urethra, acting like a gatekeeper at the bladder's exit. On the other hand, the external urethral sphincter is built from skeletal muscle, which is voluntary. This means you can consciously decide when to tighten or relax it. It's situated further down the urethra, around the area where the urethra passes through the pelvic muscles. In males, it surrounds the part of the urethra called the membranous urethra, just below the prostate. In females, it encircles the urethra and even helps constrict the vaginal opening. The main job of the internal sphincter is to keep urine inside the bladder until you are ready to go. It also prevents semen from flowing backward into the bladder during ejaculation in males. The external sphincter gives you control, allowing you to hold your urine until you find a bathroom. When you decide to urinate, your brain signals the external sphincter to relax, letting urine flow out. The internal sphincter gets its signals from the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary actions. Sympathetic nerves keep it closed when you are not urinating, while parasympathetic nerves relax it during urination. The external sphincter is controlled by the pudendal nerve, part of the somatic nervous system, which you can consciously control. In terms of structure, the external sphincter is more complex because it involves multiple muscle parts that also help constrict the vagina in females. The internal sphincter is a smooth muscle ring that works as a single unit, smoothly closing the urethra. So, in simple terms, the internal urethral sphincter is an involuntary muscle that keeps urine in and prevents leakage, while the external urethral sphincter is voluntary, giving you the power to decide when to release urine. Together, they form a coordinated system that helps control urination and maintain continence.